candle that does not go out and lasts forever. I will not buy more in the market. The result is amazing. I'm sure it will surprise you. To start our tip, I will start cutting a lime in slices. The use of lime is essential for decoration, and especially for its acidity. That will act against insects. Now in a container, I will add enough coarse salt until I reach half of the container. Make this candle in your home. I'm sure you will be impressed. And thank me after learning this tip. Best of all, this tip is adaptable. You can change or add items, which will change its aroma and still keep the main function. Once it is at this point, I will add the slices of lime that I cut previously over the salt. The items inside the container not only bring an incredible aroma to the environment, but also work perfectly for decoration. Now we will also use water. The ideal is the use until almost complete. The container. After they saw in my house, my friends and family always asked me to teach this tip. Then we will also use cloves. The amount is your choice. It will be the main item to bring the incredible and pleasant smell of our candle, and also act against the insects of the environment. Now I will also add cinnamon, but this part is optional. Put the amount you prefer. Done this, I will add a few drops of fragrant oil. Item indicated to improve the smell of the environment. Then I will add some oil. It is the main item to keep our candle burning. To finish, I will cut the bottom of a plastic cup. Will be the base to light our candle. Will work as a support for the fire. And keep away from the liquid container. Tell me if you have any different tips. I would love to know your tip ideas. Now I'm going to drill a hole with scissors in the middle of the base we cut. The last item we will use is a wick to keep the flame burning. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Muriel Rodriguez. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Now just light it and our tip is ready. It is amazing besides being a great piece of decoration and brighten the environment. It has its main function to keep the insects away. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.